Hi, this is Dan Jones here in Dallas for the Automation Everywhere event from Light Reading. I'm here with Randy Levensalor, lead architect at CableLabs. Hi there, Randy. How you doing?
Hi, Dan. How's it going?
Good. We were kind of talking about interoperability for components and how that's one of the key requirements for automation. You want to extol on that a little bit?
Yeah, that's something we're focusing a lot is really trying to get the interoperability, because today it takes 6 or 8 months to onboard a VNF, and really we want to get to the point where you can bring them on and have a set of common interfaces and then spend your time on automation and not just working on getting the functionality and getting the time to market. And to do that, we've spun up a little business within Curio, or subsidiary, to do NFV interoperability. And within that, we've used a lot of the tools we've developed at CableLabs to really help build the use cases and drive kind of what our members will be doing.
Right. And in general, people don't necessarily think of cable and automation as the first order of business. Why are you focused on automation in terms of cable?
So how are we going to do things for interoperability and time to market? We really want to be able to provide more services to customers faster, especially if you look at a lot of the business services spaces, and then there's a lot of things you can do on the residential side as well. So we really want to increase that time to market, get the flexibility, and do it at a lower cost. So 5G is actually a huge opportunity for cable.
Right.
We're able to backhaul for a lot of the cellular networks today.
Sure.
And with small cells, it's very similar to what we're doing today with the cable Wi-Fi. And actually, it's a huge opportunity for cable to either provide the backhaul or to provide the 5G infrastructure itself. And kind of as we start this journey with automation and NFV, we should be able to roll that out hopefully fairly easily by having that virtualization in place, as that virtualization is a key part of 5G.
So how does open source play into all of this?
So we're using open source as part of our foundation for driving interoperability. Open source with integration testing and standards provide a three-legged stool for us to really build that solid foundation. And then on top of that, we're doing a lot of integration with VNFs, and we're using open source, for instance, our Vim. We're using Snap's OpenStack, which is a wrapper around upstream OpenStack. And this way it'll work on Snap's OpenStack. It should work with any of the vendors' OpenStack solutions. And we've also contributed some open source tools that are being used by OPNFV and ONAP for doing their compliance and certification testing.
Well, thanks so much for your time then.
Well, thanks, Dan. It was great.
Thanks. Bye.